Hello, friends. Today, let's know something about soft skills for entrepreneurs. Let's know about entrepreneurs. We all know what are these people. What are entrepreneurs? What are they? They are basically businessmen. They are the people who are working for themselves. They have the work of their own. They have set up something their own, and they are generating profits or revenues. Now these people possess few qualities. What are those qualities or skills entrepreneurs have? They have few soft skills also. Now what are these soft skills for entrepreneurs? Let's talk about it today. Now communication skill is one of the qualities or skills. We all know about communication skills. Communicating is interacting with people, talking, understanding what others are saying, and making others understand what you are saying by using a medium as language. The language can be any language. So, this is basically communication skills. Sometimes later I will talk about communication skills in detail. Today I would like to focus on creativity. Problem solving also is one of the soft skills of entrepreneurs. Today I will talk about creativity. Now, what is creativity? Can anyone tell me what is creativity? Can you people think what creativity could be? Creativity is the capability of producing new solution in intellectual way to solve problems. Creativity is an organized, comprehensive, imaginative activity of the brain towards an original outcome. It is innovative rather than reproductive. It gives rise to something new. It brings something novel into existence. What is created is always new and different from what already existed, and therefore it is unique. Creativity can be considered as a result or also as a process. As a result, creativity gives us a new useful product or a new experience. As a process, creativity activates the mind to produce something new or to see and express new relationships. Creative individuals develop unusual ideas which are interesting or stimulating. They see the world in novel ways. They do or say bizarre or off the wall things. Do you know about miracles? Miracles happen not in opposition to nature but in conflict with what we know about it. Miracles happen abruptly, suddenly, spontaneously. We think in one way, but the thing will not happen in that way in which we are thinking, but in some other spontaneous way. That can be called or named as miracle. So, creativity requires spontaneous thinking. What else creativity requires? Creativity requires will to know, will to try new ways, will to tolerate initial ambiguity. You should be patient when there is ambiguity going on in your mind while you are being creative. The biggest characteristic of being creative is presence of mind. Others are awareness, patience, fearlessness, perceptive skill, quest to catch new way, winner's attitude, enthusiastic nature, etc. There are few barriers also of creativity. Now what are those? Those are restricted mindset, self-imposed nature, fear or having fear for failurity, impatience, low perception, etc. Now, what helps creativity to grow? Cooperation opportunities, goal setting, efforts, and time management. These are few factors will help creativity to grow. There are few other characteristics also of creative people. Now, what are those? Those are curiosity. Curiosity, we all know, that is to know why and how. Awareness. Awareness is sensitivity to correlate existing ideas in a new form. Openness. Creative people accept new ideas no matter from where they come. The other characteristic of creative people is ability to play spontaneously with ideas. Now, what is this? This is the ability to shape wild hypotheses, to express the ridiculous, to translate from one form to the other, to transform into new, improbable equivalents. Creative seeing of life in a new significant way. Independent is also the feature of creative people. Independence, I mean. Readiness to keep on trying. You need to try till you reach your goal. Go on trying. They believe, the creative people believe that they are right. They try. Now, creativity is stimulated by some factors. There are few things which stimulate creativity. I will mention here few hints, practical hints to stimulate creativity. Put down in writing what exactly you want. This is one of the factors or hints. You will have to write down on a paper what exactly you are looking for or you want. This increases the depth and sincerity of your try. At the same time, fix a deadline for getting ideas of information. You can indicate sources also for the ideas. List the ideas or information incubated. Whatever ideas are incubated in subconscious mind, you need to work on the data given, the ideas given. Suddenly a light flashes into your mind only if you have battled with the problem intensely earlier. You should check what solution you found. What develops creativity in a person? Those are those features which develop creativity in a person are aloneness, daydreaming, free thinking. If you think freely, you can be creative. You should stop thinking in one restricted way, in one direction. There are few facilitators of creativity. Now, what causes creativity? What facilitates creativity? A dream, a plan, specific knowledge, willing to work hard. You should have that attitude of saying no. If you are not comfortable with some things, you should always have that ability to deny or say a no. Take responsibility. Look for solutions to problems. Decision making. The courage to admit a mistake. Independence. Self-confidence. Work and cooperate with others. You should be enthusiastic always. Now, the soft skills or the abilities what a person possesses, they always have some benefits or disadvantages. If the skill is right, you will always get the benefits from it. If the skill is not right, it will lead to disadvantages. Now here, creativity is a good feature in a person. So this creativity is having few benefits. Now what are those? Creativity creates balance and order in life. Creativity is having a positive attitude. It maintains an individual's reliability. It resolves conflicts. It makes thought and feeling clear. It leads to new innovation. Now, what is creative thinking? How a person can think in a creative manner. So, creative thinking can be used to solve problems or to brainstorm to find the best ideas or solution. It can also be used to improve one's personal life, for instance, interpersonal relations. For example, when we are taking this example of interpersonal relations, it can be explained as you have the better ways of dealing with persons of different social status or age and position, etc. Solving one's personal problems. How can one overcome his emotional block, shyness, hesitation, etc.? Finding ways to improve one's personal health, mental or moral development, etc. So, creativity can also be used to improve one's personal life in this manner. It can also be used for tackling problems in civic life, in internal affairs, in communication of any kind, in developing self-esteem for fruitful interactions. So guys, this was something related to creativity, the soft skill what an entrepreneur possesses, and that is why he leads to a successful business. So, did you understand what is creativity? Did you understand this soft skill? Please tell me in comments below and please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, you may ask me, or if you want to know something more about this topic or any other topic, please let me know. Thank you.